Welcome to the ALGO-CRM feature playlist. In this video, we will see quotation. First, we will start from the company page where we need to select a company. I am selecting Arihan Solution 2. Now we are on the dashboard of ALGO-CRM. To access it, go to the left menu panel, select Documents. After this we will choose Quotations. A quotation is a formal document provided by a seller or service provider that shows the estimated cost, details of products or services, terms and conditions, and the validity period before the customer agrees to buy. It helps the customer clearly understand what will be delivered, under what terms, and at what price, so they can make a confident decision. And if you want to create a new quotation, you can simply click on the Add New button. As soon as you click on Add New, a prompt message will appear asking you to select template. There are 3 templates available, and you can select any one of them. The only difference between them is the design layout. If you want to make any changes to the templates, you can do so from the Quotation Config section. These changes can only be made by the owner or co-owner. Here, I am selecting template 1 and clicking on Submit. As soon as you submit, a form will open where you will see some mandatory fields such as contact, quotation date, and valid till. Along with these, there are additional fields as well, such as place of supply and remarks. On the right side, you will see 2 sections. Billing address is the address used for invoicing and payment-related details. It indicates where the invoice will be sent and which location is responsible for the billing, and shipping address is the address where the products or materials need to be delivered. If the customer wants the items delivered to a different location than the billing address, that separate address will be shown here. Both the billing address and shipping address can be the same as well. It's not necessary for them to be different. It completely depends on the customer's requirement. This information will only be shown when the selected contact is associated with an organization and that organization has a saved address. Below, you will see the product list, where you can view all your added products. If you want, you can also create a new product by simply clicking on the Add Product button. Once you click on it, a form will open with some mandatory fields such as item name and price. You must have at least one product added before submitting the quotation. Without adding product, the quotation cannot be submitted. After adding the products, the system will automatically show the subtotal. This is the total amount of all the selected products. If you want to apply tax on this amount, you can do so by clicking the Apply Tax checkbox. You can add sundry only after adding at least one product. If no product is added, you won't be able to apply sundry. The system will show a message saying, Add product first. After that, the system will automatically calculate and display the grand total based on the products, taxes, and any applied sundry. Let's understand this with an example. Here, I am selecting Akhil Gupta in the contact person field. Next, in the quotation date, it will automatically show today's current date. Next, in the valid till field, you can select the date until which the quotation will remain valid. This date must always be a future date. It cannot be earlier than the quotation date. In the place of supply field, you can enter the location from where the supply is made. Here, I am entering Delhi. Next, when you click on the address section, you will see 2 options, billing address and shipping address. Select both addresses and then click on Confirm Selections. Once confirmed, the selected addresses will be displayed in the address section. Now we will add a product. For that, click on Add Product. In the item name field, I am selecting a product from the drop-down, for example, Busy Accounting Software. As soon as you select it, all related details such as price, tax, HSN code, and quantity will be automatically filled based on the product configuration. If you want, you can edit these values as needed. After verifying all the details, I am clicking on Add to include the product in the product list. If you do not want to apply tax, you can simply uncheck the Apply Tax option. As soon as you check it, the tax amount related to that product will automatically appear in the Sundry section, indicating that the tax for this product is now listed separately. After that, the system will show the grand total, which includes the product amount along with all applied taxes and additional charges. After filling in all the details, you can click on Preview to see how your quotation looks with the selected template and design. Once you have reviewed it, you can click on Submit to save the quotation. If you want a physical or downloadable copy, you can also click on Print Quotation to print it or save it as needed. Now, I am clicking on the Submit button to finalize and save the quotation. This is the main quotation dashboard, where you can view all quotation in table format. Each quotation is displayed with its details organized columns for easy access and management. You can search quotation effortlessly to quickly find the one you need. Each column can be sorted in ascending or descending order using the arrow icons, and you can also rearrange columns according to your preference or search quotation by number. The Manage Columns option lets you control which columns are displayed based on your requirements, and these settings are user-specific. Additionally, you can edit or delete quotation directly from this view. Next, there is also an Export to Excel option, which allows you to export your data and view it in an Excel sheet for easy analysis and record keeping. Each column has a filter option that helps you view your data more accurately. For example, here I am searching for Akhil Gupta, and it displays all the related details such as the quotation number, billing address, shipping address, place of supply, and many more. At the top, there is also a Clear All Filters option. This is useful when you have applied filters on multiple columns and want to remove them all at once. By clicking on Clear All Filters, all applied filters will be cleared together. At the bottom of the page, there is a Rows per Page option. Using the drop-down, you can select how many entries you want to display at once, for example, 10, 20, or any other available value. AlgoFast CRM makes the entire quotation process faster, more accurate, and easier to manage, from creating quotations to tracking details, applying taxes, adding products, and generating final documents seamlessly. Thank you.